So I'm here with the homie, and he just touched up this M3, did ceramic coating, and it's looking perfect. If you guys followed my vlog, I've had a lot of like dents on this car, and after they were pulled out, he just finalized the paint and made it look really juicy. Look at that. Hey man, tell them about your business.
How's it going? Dumbbells, hand details, ceramic coating, one-step correction, interior slide detail, leather hydration. Been a long day, but I guess it's coming together pretty well.
Yesterday he told me that it looked pretty easy, and I was like, dang, this guy's a G. And then when I showed up today, he's like, yep, it was a lot of work. But anyways, if you guys are located in Southern California or the high desert, just comment and I'll leave his information, and you guys can come over and get your stuff detailed and dialed in really, really nice. Like, even look at the wheels. Ah, this car feels brand new. I'm tripping out. Even the interior, he did a super, super good job. I've never seen this look so shiny. Dude, just kidding. Oh my gosh. Excuse the messy garage. But look at the work this guy did. I'm just tripping out. And even like my bumper, like the very front had a lot of rock chips. But he did a good job of just making it look fresh again, you know? I did repaint this. I don't know if I mentioned it before. When I first bought the car, I live in a desert, so there was a freaking sandstorm, and it just pelted this whole front bumper, and it looked like Oreos. So I don't know. I had to repaint it. But everything looks just, it looks so good. Like, look at the tires. And the rims, really clean. It's really making the color of these wheels pop. I'm really glad I painted it this color. And now that both cars are basically ceramic coated and paint corrected, like officially, it's just really nice. Like, even look at the G-Wagon. It's been about, like, I'd say maybe like almost a month and a half, 2 months, and the paint's just perfect. Even look at the carbon fiber. What the heck? And look at the paint here. Oh, if you go back like a video or two, you see that there was like a big like indentation right there. It's gone. Man, I'm even tripping out about the inside. I'm literally just sitting in here like appreciating. I don't know if you guys care or remember, but I did this. This is a must. $10-15 kind of mod for the e-brake. Everyone needs to do it. Easy things to do in the BMW that makes a big difference is the start button. Literally maybe $25, and this M mode button. I like to match it. Really cheap. Kind of suede out everything. I wrapped it. Oh, this was another thing that I added to this car. It's the BMW like scent dispenser. There's only one other guy that I know that like tripped out about this that I've seen on YouTube, and it's Nur Humidi, and he was tripping out when he found a car that had this, and I did the same thing. It's so funny, but it's a cool little clean OEM BMW part that you can add. That just kind of makes it more special, I feel. So shout out to the wifey for giving me this. This is one of our dogs. His name is Tommy. He's a French bulldog, and it's his face as an air freshener, so I like it. I feel like it suits the interior. Such an animal, you know? So I just decided to take this car out of the garage, and it's the first time seeing it in daylight. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Look at the paint. Oh, it's so glossy. Even the wheels look just crazy being clean. Oh my gosh. Wow. I got these wheels fully powder coated, and the guy, like, what he did was he used a chemical substance to melt off the old paint, so it's a full powder coating. And what I decided to do today is to go ahead and ceramic coat my wheels for extra protection. If you haven't touched your wheels in a while, I'd highly recommend to first clay bar. This is the clay bar I use from Chemical Guys, clay bar luber. And after that's done, I like to use the isopropyl alcohol and get everything off, any previous wheel cleaner gunk, dry it off. And this is the kind of ceramic coating I'll be using. I've been using this on like headlights, various panels exterior wise. I haven't used it inside, but it's right off of Amazon by CarPro, ceramic quartz paint correct. So what you want to do first is get your clay bar. I'd say just about that. Use a clay bar luber. These wheels are pretty clean, so I'm not really going to spend a tremendous amount of time just cleaning it up. After that's done, I'll use a water spray bottle. The extra step that I want to do next is kind of just use the isopropyl alcohol and just kind of get any leftover residue from previous cleanings off. What you want to do next is get your applicator, and you only need a minute amount of the ceramic coating, maybe 2-3 drops. What you're going to want to do is just do even streaks on every area that's really exposed.